Good morning, guys. My name is Noni Matikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I want us to talk about advocating Nisi. First of all, let's do this video. Guys, engagement is key on social media. Engagement is key. Please make sure that you always like, share, subscribe, comment. Like, share, subscribe, comment, please, at all times. When you are doing that, you are supporting the channel financially and in numbers. And thank you so much for doing so. Okay. Thank you. I really appreciate you doing that for the channel. Now, let's talk about advocating this. So advocating this, he got up. Yesterday was Tuesday. He got up and he was like, I'm doing my heads right now. He first started with, no. Okay, before we go to the arguments, quickly, let's talk about what happened in the courtroom. Yesterday, the expectation for me was Judge Rata might send something, or Judge Rata might decide, I'm not going to say anything since what happened last week, and now I was forced and dragged to apologize here in public because of Nisi. I believe that in his head, he blames Nisi for the apology that he had to do. He blames Nisi for his utterances. Chances are very high that he is blaming him. Let me put it that way. Chances are very high that he is blaming Nisi. If it was not for your behavior, I wouldn't have been going through all of this. The entire weekend, I was going through it, getting calls and stuff like that. People shocked that I am a racist. So it's your fault. There are very high chances that in his head, that's how he is thinking about it. Now, we were expecting to see perhaps him saying, yeah, Miss, yesterday you were not here, and I see that you decided to defy me and do your own thing after what I said last week, Thursday. No, if you are expecting that, that's not what he did. The judge was like, nah, I'm not talking to you. I'm mad at you. Go and hang if you want. He was like, I am talking to you right now. I am talking to you. And then he sat there thinking, I was thinking, is he going to apologize to Nisi? Does he think he owes him Nisi any apology or what? No. The funny thing is that at that time, Ramsipile was late. Nisi, everybody was in court, even the accused. We sat there in silence, I think for about close to 10 minutes, if not, I don't know. But I think close to 10 minutes or above 10 minutes. We sat there, the judge was here, paging something, reading on things, and he was like, okay, Kotwa. Ubalo did report that Ramsipile said he's running late. He'll be there around 10:30, and he will explain further when he comes. Okay. And there was no small talk as per usual when we are waiting for something. None, son. No small talk. The judge was not having that time. There was no small talk. If I tell you there was no small talk, there was nothing. He did no small talk, nothing, no conversations. He looked down and was chilled. Footy, he was chilled. Not even in the face showing some signs of, no, he was fine. He was very, very fine, Judge Rata. And we are sitting there waiting. Eventually, Ramsipile comes in, and I'm expecting for him to be, do you understand? No, I'm sorry, my lord, for coming for belated what. And then he said whatever. And then the judge was like, okay. What's this? What happened to Judge Rata Mukhatleng? Same Mukhatleng was happening to you. He's like, okay. And then we move. And then the proceeding starts. I am telling you, that is how he treated the entire morning. Kesana chilled, didn't show anything. No, he said nothing to Missy. He said Luto to Missy, because I thought he was going to do a jab here and there. No. He was like uneasy break. Uneasy bricks, uneasy. I'm not doing that with you. And I thought, are these people in some, But then again, we had a discussion later on with my Ghost Nation, and I was like, no, this is not them. Maybe other people are thinking that they are beefing. Now, it is one-sided. Mrs. is not fighting with nobody. This is doing his own thing, comes to work, does what he does, and then goes home. Do you understand? He does what he does and then goes home. Akazingeni nje indaba zakhona. Senchuba inhlekisile the entire situation. I couldn't hold my laughter because in the morning I was like, hi, asikhulumisane. So the judge is on asikhulumisane session with Umnisi. No, because you know that Judge Rata would joke with Umnisi here and there. But ever since Umnisi started representing accused number one, you would swear that they expected accused number one to go back to Ramsipil. So that Bazomdanda Zelisa, and it did not work out that way. Do you think that they wanted him to go back to Ramza? And he did not. And now he brought in Messi instead. Do you think that is the case? I don't know. What are your thoughts when it comes to all of this, guys? Let's discuss this. What do you think? Do you think they were whoever came up with the idea that why choose number one must choose from these people, and whoever came with the idea that actually, please, number one must be paid for by legal aid, the same legal aid that did not want to pay Mgomezulu for him. That same legal aid. So there's something going on there that we don't know. Something going on there that we don't know. Maybe someone is angry because I choose number one did that misleading, gave the misleading name to Mboto. Could it be that someone is angry and there's someone in the driver's seat that is driving this thing of I choose number one? Because why are all his councils treated that way? Because if you remember when Ramsipile was his council, Ramsipile was with by Baloyi. I remember he was so shocked. The reason he brought him Mgomezulu is because Baloyi shocked him with when it comes to trial within a trial, and did it while they had an agreement. And then all of a sudden, snaky bite. I don't know if you remember that, but there is something sinister going on there, whatever it is. I don't know what it is, but there is something going on there. Mark my words. Anyway, so that was that when it comes to the judge. He did not say anything, did not utter a word to Mnisi, no apology, no asking where you were on Monday. I guess he stood with, if you don't come, that's on you. Me, I'll be here in court, and he was in court with Judge Rata. Perhaps that's that. I don't know. What are your thoughts when it comes to what's going on there? What's going on? What did you think about Judge Rata not saying anything to Advocate Nesi? What are your thoughts when it comes to anyone who's representing IQ's number one? There's a certain treatment that they receive, whether from Baloyi or from the courtroom. What are your thoughts, Jay? Do you think there is someone behind? But why? Because I'm thinking, is it because that someone is angry that I choose number one? Spoke about Abo Buthelezi. The Buthelezi brothers instead of, what are the odds? What are the odds? Let's talk in the comment section. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.